The North American researcher Wallace Broecker has been awarded the 2008 Frontiers of Knowledge Award by the Spanish financial service provider BBVA in the category of climatic change.
To announce that the winner of the first Frontier of Knowledge Award in the category of climate change goes to Wallace S. Broecker, the Newberry Professor of Earth and Environmental Sciences at Columbia University in the city of New York.
Back in 1975, the scientist was the first one to make us aware of climatic change, 1 year before we had the first signs of global warming. Carlos Duarte, secretary of the jury, highlighted Broecker's relevance in the scientific world.
He is one of the major players, and on his shoulders we are building the science of climatic change and the science of the Earth system. The only thing is that his shoulders are more rounded now because, despite being 77, he's still very actively publishing books to spread the challenge of climatic change and how we can fight it.
In his first statements, after being notified about the decision of the jury, the award winner was disappointed because of the lack of stronger measures against global warming.
Well, I'm a little disappointed we haven't taken stronger actions. But it's taken a long time to convince the citizens of almost every country to realize that this is a very serious problem. And I think, in the last 5 years, there's been a large turnaround, and critics have, to a large extent, fallen away, and people admit that there is a warming, and most people agree that the continuing increase in CO2 is going to warm the planet more.
Broecker, born in 1931, is a professor in the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences at Columbia University, New York. He has authored over 400 journal articles and numerous books. He was one of the first scientists who underlined the importance of the interaction of the oceans and the atmosphere in regulating the climate through the exchange of CO2. The prize is worth 400,000 euros, and together with its 7 other categories, these awards amount up to 3.2 million euros, ranking second to the Nobel Prizes. The director of the BBVA Foundation highlights the relevance of these awards.
These Frontier Awards seek to recognize the role of scientific knowledge in the approach and the solution of the main issues. These awards have an international profile and perhaps more adapted to our times due to the disciplines being considered.
Juan José de Damborenea, member of the Spanish National Research Council, maintains that these awards offer a new dimension.
These awards are particularly unique because they're aimed, as Rafael Pardo remarked, to all researchers, not only in Spain but also internationally, and this offers a new dimension in the field of research and in the research awards in our country.
Through these awards, the BBVA Foundation wants to reflect the significance of the work performed by researchers and scientists around the world who contribute with their activity to generate knowledge, to boost scientific research, and to spread the culture.